So today we've been called to replace this faulty tap which doesn't want to work on hot water and it's really stiff, even doesn't want to go there as well. Now what we're gonna do, we will replace this with brand new modern mixer tap. For the purpose of this installation I have freed up the space here, so we will be disconnecting these, and in order to get access to the connection then we will have to remove the sink itself. Now the first thing we will have to do is locate the stopcock and then disable the water. Let's get into it. There you go. This is our stopcock here in the hole. Now I will have to turn off the water now. And then we will have to drain off all the water. There you go. Let it drain. While this is draining, let's get ready to remove the sink. Now we're starting with this one here. Do all the fixings. I'll show us how to display and see what it has to do. And then water draining. Now let's cut it. Then the whistle. Next, let's disconnect the pipe now. finished. It won't come loose. Wow. That's gonna be headache now. Yeah, I'll have to get the grinder now. Let's get the grinder there. There you go, this one is cut now. The grinder. Now we can remove it. Almost we can remove it. Let's clean around this here. For the new one. Now I have to clean this nicely. Make sure it's not tight here. Make sure you're white. This has to be perfect here. Clean. Sure. No, I go white. Now we have a rubber seal here, which it will be sitting on top of the sink to make sure that we have watertight joint. Then we will have to remove all the residue from the existing surface. Then everything will be perfect. Now next step, what's gonna be? Next step is gonna be to clean off all this silicone from here. Perfectly clean now. Sorry about the noise of the airplanes. We have an airport nearby. Now, once the worktop is clean, now we can proceed to remove this old pipe from here. See which one is what. Now most probably I'm going to be running the water again to make sure which of these two joints is the hot one, because here wasn't any hot water at the moment. Probably they are going up. Okay, so yeah, we will have to release the water now in order to test it and see which one is the hot water. Now let's go and open up the water again and Perfect. So we're gonna mark this. So we know that the bottom one is the hot water, and also if somebody else comes here in the future, so they are aware of it as well. There you go. This is our hot water. Now, because the hot water wasn't in use till now, this isolation valve start dripping. Now we're gonna speak to the owner to see if they want us to replace that. I always have to ask for permission, so let's do it. Now I have spoken to the customer. Due to one of these isolation valves is leaking, we will be replacing them with much better quality ones which won't leak over time. So those are Pegler UK brand, which are of really good quality and won't leak like the others over time. Let's get this in the way. Now we're gonna be draining again. Now we're gonna start removing this pipework. There you go. Now, next will be to remove the olives. There we go. That's perfect. Next, we have to clean our pipe nicely. Perfect. Let's clean this quickly. Brill. Now, next will be to removing this sharp edge from here. Why? Because once we connect our flexi pipe here, Otherwise this sharp edge, it will cut into the rubber and won't seal. So we will have to get rid of this sharp edge now. Next, for both of them, let me do it quickly. There you go, just for comparison. You can see now this edge is flat and this edge is still sharp. Now we'll have to get both of them same way. Let's do it. There you go, ready to go. Now there you go. There you go. It will be the perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now next, we'll have to use some paste. I'm using this paste to stop if there is any possibilities of leak, and also remove the joint much easily over time after years. So now we have more space. Let's get this one as well. Now it's time to clean a bit. And to tidy up. Let's get out of it. There you go. Now it's time to clean all this to make sure everything's beautiful, and also we can check for the leaks. There you go. Now we can run the water now. There you go. Now the water is running at the moment. What we will do is just to test it. We can attach our pipe and flush this quickly. perfect. Same with the other one. Okay, that's perfect. To dry out everything nicely here and to allow a few minutes time to test the joints. Once we make sure the joints are healthy, no leak detected, then we can proceed with the rest. In the meantime, I can get rid of this water and get ready for the next step. Now, what we've done is we have cleaned the sink already and it's ready to go to its plate, ready for the silicone. But before we put the sink in, we will fill the tap in. We're getting everything what we need. That's the important part. This for the bottom. Customer happy with that, so we proceed. Now next will be to connect the pipes then. Let's crack on. Now guys, it's pipe time. Let's see what we can do. Gonna start the water. There you go. Now both are open. Let me show you. There you go. Lobster cocks fitted. Just checking for leak now for 5 minutes, then we can put the tub back. This is how it looks. Now I'm gonna be moving the camera to the other place so you can see, guys. Test completed, let's crack on. Now next, the silicone. will put on the edges as well. I did already apply on the inside edge. Now it's time for this guy to go in. Let's put it in. Okay then. No, we can tie now. Now last bit is to seal all the edges again, as we need to remove this thing first. We'll remove the excess from the silicone all around. Now we're done. Next we'll be to apply new silicone all around. Let's crack on. There you go. Let me show you the end result now. Perfect lines all around. Okay, let's test this out then. There you go. Let's see if there are any leaks. No leaks here. Joint. I have checked them already. There are no leaks on the joints either. All is perfect. Clean. And ready to be used. And go. And go. The customer can wash anything they like. Cold and hot. All is working now. Thank you very much for watching, everyone, and if you like the content and you like any more interesting videos like that one, please subscribe and follow the page. Give us a like or thumbs down if you don't like it, and tell me what I did wrong if you think something went wrong. Thank you very much and see you next time.